What's up, guys? My name is Junior Knows Physics. Today I'm gonna do a prank on my little sister. She's in the restroom right now, but I've decided to do the air horn prank. I got my air horn right here. It's called signal horn. I still call it an air horn. I don't give a crap. So yeah, she's in the restroom right now. So I'm gonna scare the crap out of her. So what I'm gonna do is gonna open the door, blow the air horn, and come running over here. She's gonna be scared. I'll catch you guys in a second. This is the name of the company, Sea Choice. I think you guys could see. Oh yeah, Sea Choice. Catch you guys in a bit. Alright guys, we're about to go in. Taking the air horn right now. Here we go. Alright. Yo, watch out. Oh, God. Oh. Yo, she got scared. Yo, props to my little sister. Her name is Jade. 4 years old, and I scared the crap out of her. How did you feel? Were you scared? Did I scare you very much? I knew I scared you. Alright guys, stay tuned for the next video. And toodle off.